Ever ask for a review and instantly regret it? Like, hey, can you stop your day and help me and get absolutely nothing in return? Yeah, it's awkward. But here's the thing, reviews are the oxygen of your business. They wake up your Google business profile. It's like tapping Google on the shoulder and saying, hey, we're alive, we're active, and we want more customers. And you don't need to beg, bribe, or guilt anyone to get them. You just need one simple system that actually works. Even if your marketing budget is somewhere between zero and please don't check my account. I've asked for reviews, sweaty from job sites, broke, and once while selling plasma to pay rent. So yeah, I've been there. So let's make your business look alive again without being weird about it. So let's start here because I already know what you're thinking. I'll get reviews when I have time. Cool. But while you're waiting, your competitors are getting found. Reviews aren't compliments, they're conversation machines. So according to Bright Local, 87% of consumers read reviews before buying anything. If anything, they at least check to see how many reviews you have. Don't tell me you don't do this. So if your competitor has 100 reviews and you have 3, you might as well hang a sign that says try them first. And again, Google loves reviews. The more consistent, recent, and positive they are, the more visibility you'll get. For free. That's not a hack. That's just the algorithm doing the Lord's work for a small business who actually shows up. I genuinely believe God blesses not perfection, effort. You plant, you water, he brings the increase. So asking for reviews isn't manipulation, it's stewardship. It's saying, I'm proud of the work I do and I'm willing to let others vouch for it. So now that we all agree reviews matter, let's talk about how to get them without being that weird business owner who sends 14 reminder texts like it's prom night. I call this the review request flywheel. It's simple, repeatable, and it works in any industry, whether you're a barber, a baker, or a business coach trying to sell PDFs. So we got 4 steps. 1, deliver a moment of delight, something unexpectedly good. 2, catch the enthusiastic customer. Look for that "this is amazing" moment. And then 3, ask right then, with a microscript that sounds human, not robotic. And then 4, follow up once, kindly, humbly, one time only. That's it. Spin that flywheel every time you deliver value, and within a week, you'll have 10 new reviews. So let's break it down, okay? Step 1, right? The delivered delight. You can't ask for a review if you didn't earn one. I'm not talking Disney level fireworks, just one small thing better than expected. If you run a cleaning service, leave a handwritten thank you note. If you're a web designer, deliver the project a day early and include a quick video walkthrough. If you're in my world, Perch Merch, maybe you toss a surprise hat on their first order. People love free stuff. The goal isn't to lose money, it's to make someone say, wow, that was nice, because that tiny moment triggers them. Humans are wired to give back when they feel cared for. You give a little extra, they want to return the favor, usually with a review. It's not manipulation, it's service. But listen, a review is a review. It doesn't matter if it's a recent customer or your Aunt Betty in Florida. They all count the same. Google doesn't know who Betty is. It just sees another 5-star review. So if you've got a supportive family, friends, or your old college roommate who owes you a favor, send them the link too. The point isn't to fake it, it's to start momentum. Momentum builds credibility, and credibility builds customers. And here's how we make it dead simple at Perch Merch. We've got QR codes posted at the counter. So when a customer picks up their order, which is also their most excited time, we've got it printed on the side of the merch boxes. And I keep it saved on my phone for when I'm out and about, because you never know when somebody's going to say, hey man, we get your merch from you. And then I just hand them my phone and say, yeah, I would love for you to leave a review if you love this. They just do it, especially if they're right in front of you and all they got to do is scan a code. You have to make it as simple as humanly possible for somebody. The easier you make it, the more it happens. You can grab your review link or QR code right from the Google Business profile. They give it to you automatically. You don't make your own. Drop that link in follow-up text, order emails, invoices, anywhere people already interact with you. And like for shipped orders, we always try to include a freebie, a sticker or a koozie, something fun, and attach a postcard. So our postcard says, like us, prove it. If we made your merch look amazing, scan the code and leave us a review. We'd be forever grateful and slightly smug. And then on the bottom, it says, not happy? ? Sometimes it's just best to just keep that to yourself and have a snack instead. It makes people laugh, and guess what? They scan it. Humor wins every time. Step 2, spot the right customer. Timing matters. Ask too early, it's weird. Ask too late, they moved on. The sweet spot, right after the thank you moment. My wife runs our blow dry bars, and our clients walk out feeling confident and unstoppable, right? New hair, new makeup, new attitude. She's trained her staff to ask right at that high point. When a client's grinning at the mirror, they just say, "We can tell you really like that. If you want, you can leave us a review by scanning this code right here." It will work 9 out of 10 times. It's about reading the moment, not begging, not forcing, just asking when the energy's high. Because happy people want to share it. You just have to make it super simple. Step 3, the microscript. Most owners overthink this. They send essays or tiptoe like it's a breakup text. Keep it simple. "I'm glad you liked it. Would you mind leaving a quick review for me?" Just 1 or 2 sentences about what you liked most. Or you don't have to write anything at all. Just a simple 5-star would be great. Something quick and easy for them to do. It means the world and helps me grow. I'll send you the link. Text them the link. Email them the link. That's it. Warm, short, no pressure. It works because it asks in gratitude, sounds conversational, sets expectations, and makes it easy. Sending them the link. You're not begging, you're inviting. Add a personal line if you want. "I'm building this business one relationship at a time. Your words help others trust us." That one sentence turns a transaction into belonging, being part of the group. And then step 4, follow up once. They'll forget. Everyone does. So send one follow-up, only one. Like, "Hey, just wanted to thank you again for supporting us. No rush at all, but if you get a second, here's that review link again I mentioned. Your feedback means a ton to me." No pressure, no guilt, just gratitude. Don't send it twice. You're not running a cult. Most results come from that single gentle nudge. And if they don't respond, move on. Your energy is better spent serving the next customer than chasing ghosts. That's where faith and patience meet strategy. Plant the seed, water it once, trust God with the rest, right? Step 5, keep the flywheel spinning forever. I just ran this exact play at Perch Merch, and in 3 weeks, we pulled in 150 new Google reviews. No ad spend, no gimmicks, just consistencies. Here's what I learned doing it. The moment you stop asking, your competitors start catching up. You don't have to have a crap ton of reviews, but you always want to make sure you have more reviews than your closest competitors. So you've got to treat reviews like cardio. You don't do it once and brag about it forever. You build it into a weekly rhythm. Start by analyzing your competition, right? Go on to Google, Facebook, Yelp, wherever your audience hangs out. Look at how many reviews the top players in the space have. If your biggest competitor has 75, your goal, 76. If they hit 80, you aim for 100. You're not being petty, you're being strategic. Because in most markets, the business with the most and the most recent reviews wins. People literally sort by highest rated. I do. So stay obsessed with it. Check your numbers monthly, celebrate milestones, and keep the flywheel spinning forever. It's not a campaign, it's a culture. The day you stop tracking reviews is the day someone else starts showing up above you on Google. Again, my wife has over 1,500 reviews. That's insane to me. I hope to get somewhere close to that. So here's a 5-day plan to get 10 reviews, right? Monday, we're going to list 10 customers you've served recently. Tuesday, we're going to reach out to the easiest 3 with the microscript. Wednesday, ask 3 more in person or text. Thursday, send 1 gentle follow-up. Friday, post a thank you story on social media featuring one of the reviews. Because again, you can turn these reviews into social content, which also builds trust. And that public gratitude sparks more. You just ran your first $0 marketing campaign. Cost 0, ROI, trust, visibility, and future sales. Let's talk about fear. Asking for reviews triggers rejection anxiety. I get it. What if they say no? Or worse, what if they leave a bad one? Listen, feedback doesn't define you, it refines you. When I took over Perch Merch, I was terrified to ask. The old owners had left some scorch marks, and I didn't want people connecting us. But you can't build credibility in silence. So we asked. The first few months, a little rough. We earned every star the hard way. But review by review, the tide turned. Now clients tell us, we chose you because of your reviews. That's redemption. Business edition. If he can rebuild my brand, he can rebuild yours. Don't hide from feedback. Invite it, even when it's humbling. Humility is the foundation of growth. So again, we're going to now leverage these reviews. So post screenshots on your social media. Add them to your homepage. Print a few on proposals or invoices. Share them in reels with thank you captions. And my favorite, turn reviews into referrals. When someone leaves a great one, reply, I'm so glad you're happy. If you know anyone else who'd benefit from what we do, I'd love to help them too. That line alone has brought me more business than any ad ever did. People trust people, not logos. You've heard me say that multiple times. So let's recap it. Reviews matter more than you think. Your flywheel is delight, ask, follow up, repeat, out-review your competition. Use the microscript. Don't overthink it. Ask at the happiest moment. Follow up once. Show gratitude. Keep going. Just like that. It's not flashy or viral, but it's powerful, repeatable, and free. God doesn't bless laziness. He blesses consistency. Show up. Ask. Follow up. Build credibility one line of text at a time. Every small act of courage compounds. Every review is a seed. Someday you'll look back and realize those 10 reviews weren't validation. They were confirmation you're on the right path. If this helped you, do me a favor. Subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what kind of business you run. I want to hear about your wins this week. Remember, success doesn't start with money. It starts with momentum. And sometimes that momentum looks like 10 people saying, you did a great job. Plant those seeds. God handles the growth.